Good morning everybody and welcome to Plastic Canvas Thursday. Today we are going to be making a scallop seashell. Okay, all you will need to do this with is your plastic canvas, a Sharpie, a needle, plastic canvas needle, pair of scissors, and with it calling for 2 shades of a color, I'm using these 2 shades. It's a lavender purple looking and then a darker purple, which looks blue in the camera. Okay, last week, if y'all remember, I did the frog, and I had a question from the Hobby.Bay if that was a pre-cut pattern or if I cut it out myself. I drew my pattern out and I cut it out myself. In these canvas books, it gives you details right there, how many holes to cut out, and then to form this shape. So I am going to show y'all how to do that today. Okay, first of all, it calls for 21 holes by 21 holes. These holes is what you count. You will have to be careful on some of these though, because some of the patterns calls for threads. If it's threads, then you start from the outside and you do the lines that's going down or across. That's how you get the threads. But in our case, it's the holes, so you are going to count the holes. So I'm going to count my holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, once you get your holes counted out, you're going to cut where you marked that. You're going to cut the excess off. See, this is 21 by 21. You made a square. But you trim the bottom up or around the ragged edges. And you're going to make it where it's smooth on both sides, where you don't have no rough edges around it. So you're done with this other part, so you can move it to the side. Okay, the next step is, say, this is how you're going to cut a pattern out. Don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. Let's see if I can focus in on it. How I can do this. It's hard when I don't have a big thing. Okay. What you're going to do on this side here, which is the left hand side, you're going to count each hole until you get one that is the furthest off. And that would be your starting point for drawing this pattern out. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it's going to go to another long one, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then it's going to come to another long one. And if you look down here, that's going to be the longest mark on your pattern here. So you're going to start right here on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on the 11th hole going down on your canvas. So let me get that done. Okay, once you mark your pattern, see I got my mark with the Sharpie right there. Once you mark it, you can go in either direction you want to go. You can continue going down this way and then come back up, or you can go back up and or you can go upwards and start. But I'm going to start going down this way. So this is telling me that I'm going to make just a ziggly line all the way down. But you count them. You're going to start on the 11th one. Then you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to go down 10 holes doing the zigzag. So, let me get right here. And I know it's not picking up too good due to my lighting, but I'm going to make a zigzag. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's what they look like. It went from the 11th hole all the way down to the 21st hole. Okay. And then, next on the pattern, my book is way too big here. Okay. The next on the pattern, I'm going to continue going up. So you're going to count that hole that you stopped at. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to go up 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's going to look like that. Okay. Then it's showing on the pattern to go over 4 more going the opposite direction. So 3, 4. Okay, see? I went up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's showing to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's how you're going to do. Then you're going to draw a line on that 4th one. And then you're going to go and do the other 3. And you're going to continue on just following the pattern to form your shell. So I'm going to go ahead and finish drawing this out so I don't make this a long video. I got company coming in today for my brother-in-law's triple bypass surgery tomorrow. So I'm trying to get this done and house work done. And I'm going to try to get tomorrow's video done and put it on a schedule for tomorrow, which would be Scrapbook Friday. But anyway, getting back to this. You're just going to follow the pattern that once you get that starting point, everything else is self-explanatory. where you can to form your shape. And if anybody's interested in doing plastic canvas, there's some free websites where you can go and get some patterns from, like freepatterns.com. They will you can download them and print them out, and then you have them in front of you. I have got several of my patterns from them. It's a good site to go under. So you can go check them out. I'll try to remember to leave a link in the description. Okay, so there's my shape. Now what you're going to do is get your scissors and you're going to cut this shape out. You just got to be careful when you're cutting where you don't cut. You don't want to cut past that line or even nip it, because it will mess your canvas up. I do these, get little simple patterns to do for y'all, where I can get it done in one video and not have to actually take days to do a project, because there are some bigger projects where it takes me 2 or 3 days to do. Some takes about a week to do, some a couple of weeks to do. So okay, there's the shape, exactly what it shows in the book. So that is how you cut. You just count down to the longest row, then mark it, then you can go either whatever